Hello my friends, I am Marietta and I welcome you to Marietta's Art Show. Today I'm going to show you this piece that I think you've seen before, a very similar piece, a triptych, and I called this one A Star is Born. I love this kind of piece and so do people because this is the most popular design that I sell and the size seems to be perfect for a lot of people. And I believe that most people absolutely love blues and silvers and also the opal color that I add to this piece. I load it with crystals and all kinds of glass, reflective glass, and the resin is really truly remarkable. I love these colors. They're my favorite, my personal favorite. And I have some of these colors in my house as well. So I'm looking forward to showing you this one. I try to make each one of these a little bit different. None of them are exactly the same. So it's a one of a kind. In this one, I think I added a little bit more of a blue tint to it, and as well as a little bit different kind of blue than the last one I made. And it's really in demand, and I'm so excited about this piece. So I'm sure it's gonna go pretty quickly once it gets to Exposure's gallery. Let's go ahead and watch the video, and I'll see you after. welcome back. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. These pieces are very large and I really don't have the space in my studio to make them at the same time. And so I kind of struggle with that space issue, but it's so worth it. I make a big mess on the floor. Resin runs everywhere and I step on it and it's pretty ugly and gooey, but it's all worth it so that you can get this result. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. It helps me spread the love of art to as many people as I can. Bardzo dziękuję. Thank you so much. Until the next time.